guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Noemi here. So for today's video, as you can see, I have here strawberry. So I will make a strawberry jam. So what I have here is 500 grams of strawberries, then 1.5 cups of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So let's start. So what I will do first is to wash the strawberry and remove some leaves on it and cut it. Washing the strawberries with cold water. So I finished already to wash the strawberry. Now I will remove the leaves on it. Here's the strawberry, then the sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar, so let's cook. I will cook this until the sugar is melted. So I will only let cook this medium heat until the strawberry is ready, and we can mash it a little with a spoon. So the strawberries are it's soft now, and I can mash it a little bit with a spoon. After this, I will put now the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So the strawberry jam is almost ready. After this, I will transfer this to a jar. Look, I didn't put some water on it. That's the juice from the strawberry and the sugar only. So here it is, guys, the strawberry jam. Now we can transfer it into the jar. So here it is guys, my finished product strawberry jam. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell down below so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!